Hello, my name is Hannah Hurdle, and I'm the Library e-learning specialist at Untitled Library. This video is on the library database Ethnic Newswatch. Ethnic Newswatch is a full-text database of newspapers, journals, and magazines from Native, minority, and ethnic presses. Academic sources like this one are important not only because it helps shape student thinking when it comes to analyzing and evaluating information, but it also gives them a broader view of the world and the people who live in it. The library is committed to providing a diverse collection of materials like Ethnic Newswatch in order to remove barriers to learning and to make sure all students, regardless of their prior knowledge, experience, or background, feel like they are seen and heard in their class material and in the library. Now I'll be doing a walkthrough of how to use Ethnic Newswatch. I'm on the library's homepage, and from here I can go to Databases. I can type in the database I want, search for it, and then go directly to it. You do have to log in to Ethnic Newswatch if you would like to use it. So that's just something to note. So that was a basic search that I just did, just the one search bar. Now that I'm in my search, I have all of these limiters that I can use, full text, peer-reviewed. I have different source types, journals, magazines, newspapers. I can limit by publication date. I can limit by publication titles. This could be the title of a journal or a newspaper. I could also limit by language if I would like, English, Spanish. We also have document types, so this could be news, letters to the editors, reviews, opinions, editorials, things like that. So I'm going to apply a couple of these limiters, and it'll take a second. And let's do peer review, the journal limiter and peer review editor. So let's scroll down, and I'm going to find an article that I'm interested in. Let's go to this one. So I have the full text PDF right here where I can download. Some articles will let you read directly in Ethnic Newswatch. This one has the PDF. You can go to your abstract/details. So this gives me an overview of the article as well as a bunch of different metadata about the journal article that I'm looking at. I can also look at the references. This can be helpful if I am interested in this article. I can maybe use one of these references as a source for a paper or an assignment as well. I can download the article as PDF. I can email it to myself. I can print it. I can also use the citation tool. So it's MLA, Chicago, Harvard, APA, just depending on what your professor wants you to use. If I go to all options, I can also save the article to my Google Drive. I can also use the citation exportation tool. I can send it to RefWorks, EasyVib, just whichever one that I like to use. Going over to the advanced search, I have more search bars that I can use. So I can type in more key terms if I would like to, or keywords. I can use the Boolean operators and, or, and not. I can limit to full text. I can do the publication date, say the last 12 months, and then I have all of those limiters that are available to me in the basic search here in the advanced search. I can do that advanced search if I would like to, and you can see that my search results are already fewer than the original search I did. I can also search by publication. So say there's a specific newspaper or journal that I wanted to have an article or a source from, I could search for it, or it's listed alphabetically. And the last thing is recent searches under advanced search. Ethnic Newswatch saves all of the key words that you use as well as all of the limiters that you apply. So if you want to go back in your searching process, you can do that. So that is Ethnic Newswatch. I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and check out Ethnic Newswatch if you're interested.